Chichiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He kireru! He kireru!
Yes, it's the kereru. Kereru love to topa, swoop, and hoka, soar when they are flying.
Topa, swoop, hoka, soar.
Do you think that will help them when they kani dance with us?
Ooh, aye!
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani dance and waiata sing with us?
Mi kani me waiata. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tatoru, patoro I te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Pāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka o mati no te rawa e. Are whana whiua to I huroa e. Paia! Watutuki I a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o toringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e huama? Matike, maranga! Ooh!
What is that Kereru has given you?
Aroa!
Tākaro tribe, that's Papa Rākau calling you. He can tell you what Kereru has given you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, wakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aure. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau!
Did you enjoy dancing with the kereru?
Ai rā!
I'm Marika. Yes, for sure. I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look, shall we?
Yay!
I think you've seen these before. But do you know what they're called?
Ah!
Are those peka? Branches, I see.
Pika, branches,
And what are on the end of the branches?
leaves, row.
Does it remind you of anyone?
Aye!
Do you know what it is now? That's right. It's a rākau.
Rākau!
I'm Marika. It's a small rako now, but one day it will grow up big and tall, just like me.
Aye.
I'm Marika. Yes, for sure. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He kikorani. That's my color. He porofita kikorani.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. It's a special day. The tamariki are planting a baby rako. First, they dig a hole to put it in. Now they're taking the plastic cover off and putting it into the hole. And of course, it needs plenty of water.
Rako.
Did you know the word rako has the letter U in it? That's your letter, isn't it, U?
Ooh. Koahu. It's me.
It sure is. Shall we learn to write the letter U?
Aye.
U. Draw down the side, around the bottom, and back up to the top. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down, around, and back up. U.
Yay!
I'm Marika. Yes, for sure. I hear Korka calling you. Time for you all to visit Korka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
What did you learn about today?
Rako.
Rako. Let's learn to spell it.
Ah.
Do you think we need an R?
Aye. What?
Do you think we need a W?
Cow. Cat.
Do we need a K?
Aye.
Do you think we need an R?
Need an A. Aye. E.
Do you think we need an E?
Cow. R.
Look, a R. Do we need a R?
Aye.
Do you think we need an U? Koia, koia. That's all the letters we need.
Tamariki ma, kia kahara, manawa titi, manawa popore. Anei te kupu pore.
Let's all say the word together and then you can try and spell it.
Rako.
Can you tell me the sound the word begins with?
Rako. R.
Ka pai, r. Now try sounding out the word rako.
Rako. Ra. Ka. Oo.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
R. A. Ra. K. A. Ka. Oo.
Did you manage to spell the word rako?
Ra. Ka. Oo. Rako. Rako. Yay!
Koia, koia. Well done. I knew you could do it.
Koia, ke atata no tetsu hikuku. Kotsutsuki adaka. Tetsu hite kakapera.
It has peka, branches. It has ro, leaves. It can grow up, taroa, tall. Ra, ka, u. It's a rako.
Kotsutsuki adaka. Tetsu hite kakapera.
What a fun day, Tagaroa tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tagaroa tribe.
Pōmarie.
Titiro. Here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tagaroa tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Pōmarie.